I'm just meeting them for the first time today. Just meeting them first. I wrote several letters. And that was why I pleaded with the court to please order them that each time we come to see them, we should be allowed.
So are you filing any civil action as to illegal detention?
We are jumping not now, until after the outcome of the judgment, and by His grace we believe they will be discharged and acquitted, and then we'll know what to do.
Why do you feel for so long you've not been arraigned? Yes, your full name.
Abdullahi Awwal Muhammad Esquire.
The charges have been read to your clients and they are all pleaded not guilty. How ready are you for this trial?
Oh, as they say it, they are not guilty. So it stands. The court will now decide.
Are you ready for this?
Oh, come on, very, very ready. That's why we're so grateful they gave us next week. I'm going to see how the SS will be prepared.
Sir, 2022.
Yes, sir.
Till now, you're saying your clients are